Today we're checking out the Raxiom LED tailgate step lighting for the 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s with the multi-pro tailgate. If you've ever been using your factory tailgate step at night and you wish you could actually see where you're putting your foot, this is a simple upgrade that adds real everyday convenience and safety with a clean factory plus look, so it's definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the features, the main benefit here is added visibility right where you need it where you're trying to step. These lights are designed to illuminate the tailgate step area so climbing in and out of the bed at night feels safer and more confident. They are a great match for anybody who uses their truck for work, weekend projects, weekend warrioring, camping trips where you're loading and unloading gear, and anytime you're trying to get in and out of that bed at night. Because this kit is made for the Sierra's tailgate step setup, it's designed to fit neatly without looking like an afterthought, and it blends in well with the rest of the truck's rear lighting. Day to day, this is one of those upgrades that you'll appreciate every time you grab something out of the bed at night, and it's not too much, it's pretty subtle, but it adds a little lighting touch to the back of your truck and a lot of safety when you're working at night. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a very compact LED module that fits perfectly into its spot and a straightforward harness that's designed to handle weather, road spray, and regular use. The housings are built to stay secure and resist moisture for longevity, and the wiring is sized to tuck cleanly along factory style routes for a tidy finish. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around the $100 price range. That is a solid value for vehicle-specific lighting upgrade that adds some real function and not just a cosmetic change. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 30 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop. We're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
All you'll need for this install is a panel removal tool. Today we're going to be installing tailgate step lights on our Sierra. Let's get started. All right, first we're going to open up our tailgate. And then I'm going to hold it about halfway through and we're going to open up the top step. Let everything come down. And now we can open up our final step so we can get access to our plastic covers. All right, our first step, we're going to take off these plastic covers right here. You can choose to put the lights in any location you want to on here, but we're going to choose the inner one, so we're going to remove these two first. We're just going to use our trim tool just to pry that off gently, set that aside. And now we can access the wires. All right, now that we have access to our wires, we're going to go in the right side pod and get access to our latch system. And we're going to remove this connector right down here, pull down on the red locking tab, and then pull on the wires. Just squeeze the connector and pull that out. Now we can take our new harness, connect this in line, push down our red locking tab. Now we can take our connector and plug it back into the latch system and secure our locking tab. Now we can place our wires back in. And we're going to take one end and route it through the other side. Now we can take our pod, plug it on the back connector, secure our tab down, and place inside. All right, that wraps up our install for Raxiom LED tailgate step lighting for 19 and newer Sierra 1500 with multi-pro tailgate. Just remember, for everything Sierra related, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.